Oh yeah, now Duke don't want to make no noise. He was crowing like hell a minute ago. Ah! Welcome back, fellow YouTubers, fellow subscribers, fellow viewers, fellow medicators, fellow smokers, fellows. So, I got a package from Aroma Hemp. It's a little while ago. I've been having problems breathing with my asthma, so I haven't had a chance to make any reviews, but as you see, I just made one for Can of Comforts, and I'm going to start being more active here now that I got my prednisone in me and my inhaler. I don't need it. But I opened this box just to get the shirt out so I could be wearing it during this review. Other than that, I have not looked at whatever's in here. Okay, so the box has been cut open. We got a insert here for some really cool stuff. Oh, check that out, that's pretty sweet. Flour in a jar, $26, check it out. A quarter. Some Aroma Hemp cigarettes. Really awesome. Really awesome. Some, let's see here. Here's some paperwork. Let's just, okay, so we don't need that. Sit that here. And this, let's see, notice the law. Well, that blew right out the window. That was notice to law enforcement. We see how much that matters. And a note. Blair, hi Blair. Mike asked me to send you this care package of Aroma Hemp and t-shirt. Hope you enjoy it. Best wishes, Joan. That's really awesome. A handwritten note. Thank you, Joan. And thank you, Mike. Shout out to Mike. Shout out to Joan. Aroma Hemp rocks. Ah! All right. So let's see here. What's in here?
So let's go with some of this fun stuff. There's a sticker.
Dude, you would not believe how many hemp company stickers I have. I have stacks of them. In fact, you know what? I think maybe sooner or later I'll do a live video and start giving them away or something. I don't know. Got some Aroma Hemp papers from the Great Northwest. That's pretty sweet. Can't beat papers. You know DMBLAIR loves papers. We got quarter ounce of hemp flour. It doesn't have a name, I don't think. 100% Kush CBD flour. Quarter ounce. And this one says exactly the same. Okay, so I got 2 quarter ounces of Kush hemp flour. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. Sorry guys, I got my phone backwards today. I didn't realize before I started the video that it was upside down, so I kind of have to go this way with the camera. And
got a pack of these 100% legal Sturgises smokables. It's pretty sweet. I think we're gonna open these up as a 20-pack, and we'll bounce this out for a review, and then we'll come back at a later date and do some of the big stuff. Okay? So it's been about 25 years since I smoked a cigarette. I gave it up the year my oldest son was born. It's 23 years ago. So I think you do it like this, right? Isn't that how you Marlboro motherfuckers do this? Uh-oh. One moment. Wow! Take 2. Try this again. All right, here we go. I'm not gonna edit that out because I don't have editing stuff. So you're gonna see me. There it went. Sorry, Aroma Hemp. I'm really excited about your products. Even Duke. You want one? I wish Duke could smoke one with me. He could be my co-host.
Wouldn't that be awesome?
Man and his chicken. It's just a man and his rooster.
All right, here we go. First impression. 100% legal cannabis. That's awesome.
Oh my God.
Dig diggity digging dank, bro. Oh man, it smells like weed. Like not marijuana, but I mean like the weed in the lawn. So fresh and crisp. Like earth. That's what I'm trying to say, like earthy. Oh my lord. Oh, that's so awesome. Look, it's got a little pool thing like the Marlboro. You Marlboro people out there, you feel right at home. Pool? Look at that.
That is so sweet.
Oh, it smells even better now that it's open. These must be in the 100s, maybe? I'm going to screenshot this for my Instagram video. All right, here we go. There's no logo or anything on there, so it's just a plain old pack, like a plain old cigarette tube, I guess. Oh, I brought the rolling tray, and I guess I don't need it. Wind is so horrible out here. Hey, come back here, box. Where do you think you're going? Oh, wow. Okay, so, first impression. First impression. I don't really taste the paper, so that's good. Let's see if there's says how many milligrams each cigarette is. Harley-Davidson Incorporated. Harley is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It is one of two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression. The company has survived numerous ownership arrangements. Subsidiary arrangements, periods of poor economic health and product quality, and intense global competition to become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers, and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. There are owner clubs and events worldwide, as well as company-sponsored, brand-focused museum. Here's a QR code. It says Heritage Smokes. You guys can scan that if you want, if it'll focus. I don't know. Warning, this product is derived from hemp and could contain THC. Keep out of the reach of children. This product is not approved by the FDA to treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Do not eat. Nicotine is addictive. Smoke cannabis instead. VirginiaHeritageSmokes.com. Legal hemp, pesticide free. Oh, fuck yeah, pesticide free. And grown in Virginia. Okay, so it doesn't say how much each cigarette is in milligrams, but that's all right. That's cool. That's really cool. Aroma Hemp. Aroma Hemp. This is really awesome. I say on Dank O Meter, I give this an 8. That pack was pretty diggity. And this cigarette is smooth. Not much brown gunk on the filter. I mean, I've seen people whose cigarettes look black in the middle. That's a good sign there that it was packed really well. This ash is really piling up. I wonder if these are rice paper. Probably rice paper. Aroma Hemp, this is a really good smoke. Shout out to Aroma Hemp. Diggity, diggity, diggity. All right. So, packaging. On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being the worst, 5 being the best, I give this mofo a 4 3/4. That's banging. I like the motorcycle. I like the bright orange. I like how it says legal hemp. CBD right on the front. Couldn't mistake it even if you wanted to. Give the Dank an 8. Flavor is, you know, it's not like bitter and nasty on your lips like most pre-rolls. Do I feel it? Yes. I feel it in my arms and my shoulders, believe it or not. This is a Kush product, so they're probably all Kush. I mean, the flowers are Kush, so I would think this is more relaxing from the Kush Mountains. Do I recommend this cigarette? Well, if I feel it working, then yes. I recommend it because it works. This is a really nice smoke. I say you get on over there to Aroma Hemp and get your pack at least. I might have a promo code. I mean, if I do, just put in, anywhere you guys go, just put in DMBLAIR in capitals, and it will or will not save you money, because I'm not sure if I set anything up with these guys. So, that's it, guys. It's all yo. I enjoyed that, and I like it, and I'll probably order more. I like to be out and about and smoke and whatnot, so yeah, sure. Parties, hangouts, bars. You know, I thought about doing some different kinds of videos. Like, I'm not going to get into it in this video, but I have some different kind of content I'm thinking about coming up with here real soon, and I'm not going to tell you what else. I'm just going to leave you with that. So next time, guys, thanks for coming along. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for viewing. If you have anybody you know that hasn't seen this channel yet, please grab them by the wrist, drag them on over here to DMBLAIR's channel, and give them to hit that subscribe button. I never used to worry about subscribers, guys, but I've been stuck at 1,840 subscribers for about a year now. So to get the numbers to climb a little bit would be really helpful to me. I'm not trying to get monetized, so it's not about money. I've been doing this from day one just to educate and entertain, and that's all I'm ever going to do it for. So it's not like I'm trying to drive it up so I can get monetized. That's not my goal at all. If that was the case, I'd already have a Patreon and all that, and I'm not interested in being funded by anybody. I just like to do this for fun, for the reasons that Aurora Hemp probably does it, for people to be well. So until next time, guys, be safe, be well, be kind.
State's president also announced similar measures for Morgan students and staff come August. Students we spoke with at Towson are embracing the idea in hopes of getting back to campus soon.
Honestly, I think for like the